Good morning, dear students. Now today we will discuss about revision of parameter and area. Parameter and area. Okay. So first of all, we will see about what is the meaning of parameter. Okay. So whenever you have to find out the area or parameter, okay, then different shape have different formula to find out the area and parameter of the any figure. So simply, if there is an irregular figure, suppose see, first of all, if any figure is given, okay, like this, then it is given that 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, again 4 centimeter, and what is the parameter of this figure? Then for finding the parameter, what we have to do? Sum of all sides. ऐड कर लो, जितने साइड दिए हैं सबको ऐड कर दें तो क्या कहलाएगा? पैरामीटर। तो अगर इसका पैरामीटर आपको निकालना हो तो कैसे निकालोगे? पैरामीटर इक्वल टू सम ऑफ कितने साइड दे रखे हैं इसमें? 5 + 4 + 4 + 2 15 centimeter. Is it clear? But if a figure is like this, say what is the parameter of this figure? This is known as an irregular figure. Irregular state. Then what you have to do? If a figure is an irregular state, then how can you find out the parameter of this figure? Do you have any idea? See, देखो इसको हम स्केल से तो मेजर कर सकते हैं, ये कितना सेंटीमीटर, ये कितना, ये कितना, कैन यू मेजर इट? नो। ओके, ये क्या कर्व शेप के सारी लाइंस हैं और ये क्या इरेगुलर शेप है। इसके लिए क्या करोगे आप? सिंपली आप क्या करोगे? एक थ्रेड ले हुए धागा लोगे, ठीक है ना? थ्रेड ले लिया धागा, उसके बाद थ्रेड को इसके ऊपर रखते हो, ऊपर थ्रेड को रखते हैं, रखिए थ्रेड को, जहां पे आ रहा है दोनों मिल जा रहे वहीं पे धागा को कट कर दिया, उसको थ्रेड सब इसके ऊपर है ना, क्लियर? जैसा ये शेप हो उसी शेप के ऊपर थ्रेड हमने लगा दिया है, उसके बाद से धागे को क्या बाहर लेते हो आप? सपोज करो उसको हम स्ट्रेट लाइन में लेते हैं धागा, ठीक है ना? थ्रेड मान लो आपके पास ये पड़ा हुआ है। नाउ अब स्केल से हम इस थ्रेड का तो लेंथ मेजर कर सकते हैं ना, तो जितना लेंथ होगा इस थ्रेड का, then the same length of this given figure. Is it clear? Once again, अगर आपको इसका पैरामीटर फाइंड आउट करना है, कोई धागा ले लो, थ्रेड ले लो आप, इसके ऊपर और पॉइंट पे इसको रख दिया हमने। Is it clear? Then जो भी मेजरमेंट होगा इस थ्रेड का, सेम वही लेंथ क्या होगा इस फिगर का भी। अंडरस्टूड? ओके, सी नेक्स्ट, what is the definition of parameter? Parameter. I think see in your book it is given that the parameter of any polygon is the sum of all its sides. Okay, so what is the parameter? The parameter of any polygon is the sum of all its sides. They are simply, or you can say the figure is known as parameter. Is it clear? So I think you have seen there are two definitions of parameter. So first, the parameter of any polygon is the sum of all its sides, या इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, the sum of all its sides of any figure is known as parameter. Is it clear? So now see. So one by one we will discuss about different shapes as we have seen in this chapter. First, see rectangle. So I think first of all you have to know that what is rectangle. So rectangle is a closed figure surrounded by four sides in which आप कह सकते हो a parallelogram in which all angle 90 degree and their opposite sides are equal, that is known as rectangle. जिसमें से जो ए बी है इसको बोलते हैं लेंथ, ठीक है ना, and this is known as a breadth. Okay, so length and breadth that is given. Now, so what is the parameter? Parameter of rectangle. What is it? Length, sum of all sides. So this is length, this is also L. Length. If breadth is denoted by B, this is also B. Is it clear? So what is the parameter of rectangle? I told you. Sum of all sides. Length plus breadth plus length plus. Okay? L and N. Two take L, na? So 2L, D and D, 2B. Take 2 as a common. Okay. So the parameter of rectangle is sum of all sides L plus B plus L plus D. Okay. And then 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Okay. So you will get the parameter of rectangle is 2 in bracket length plus breadth, and the area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Okay. Now see next. That is square. Square. So first of all, what is square? Let the name is A, B, C, D. Square is a closed figure in which all sides are equal. All sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So this symbol indicates that this angle is 90 degree. So what is a square? So the square is a closed figure in which all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So what is the parameter of the square? I told you somehow. Also, let if the sides are A, and A, then four A, or you can write as a 4 multiplied by side. Next, we will get what is the parameter. Okay. After that, what is the area of square? is side into side. Side multiply by side. A multiply by A. A and A. Okay? So both have same power. So you can add the power. That is A square. So area of square is side square. You can say this one, or you can say simply as a side square. Okay? Now write down. Next, after this, we will see that is a parallelogram. Okay? First of all, write down these things. See, next parallelogram. See, that is parallelogram. Parallelogram. So now, what is a parallelogram? A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel, okay, and equal. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal, that is known as parallelogram. See, we know that so area, this is the symbol of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Okay, and if take P2 as a base and take a perpendicular P, so base PQ multiply by ST, or so you can say that area of parallelogram is base multiplied by, and now parameter of parallelogram, that is sum of all sides. So for finding the parameter of parallelogram, you know that is sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. What are the sides? PQ plus QR plus RS and plus ST. So these are the parameter. To finding any sides of the parameter, only simply when you add or when you sum the all sides, then you will get the parameter of parallelogram, parameter of any figure. Write down. After that, see triangle. What is triangle? So what is the triangle? A triangle is three-sided figure. Okay. So now for finding the area of the triangle or perimeter of triangle, simply draw a rectangle, a square A, B, C. Okay. When you draw a diagonal, then a diagonal divides it into two equal ट्रायंगल। जैसे हम इसमें एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया इसी, जो क्या क्या है इसको टू इक्वल ट्रायंगल में डिवाइड करती है। एंड वी नो दैट एरिया पैराग्राम दैट इज बेस इनटू हाइट। अब यहाँ पे दो इक्वल हो गए ना, हम क्या लिखेंगे फिर? एरिया एक ट्रायंगल बन गया, एरिया ट्रायंगल यू कैन से एज ए बी सी, सो बेस इनटू हाइट, ये बेस मिल गया, ये हाइट, तो हाफ ऑफ में है ना, तो सिंपली यू कैन राइट एज हाफ ऑफ बेस इनटू हाइट। सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर थिंग्स। इफ अ ट्रायंगल इज गिवन A B C, take this is a perpendicular AD, then area triangle that is equal to 1/2 base AB and height is CD. Okay, so जो भी ये base that is AD और simply you can write as 1/2 base into height. Okay, so that is the area of triangle with the help of area parallelogram or area rectangle. Okay, now see parameter. The next, what is the parameter of the triangle? So you know that triangle are three types according to size and according to angle. Okay, so according to size, first triangle is scalene, that is scalene triangle. Next, that is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. And third one is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay. साइड के बेस पर ट्रायंगल थ्री टाइप के होते हैं। पहला स्केलेन ट्रायंगल, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल और इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल। अकॉर्डिंग टू एंगल्स, दैट इज एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल एंड राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, in which all are given right angle triangle and equilateral triangle. So triangle are three types according to sides and according to angles. Triangle are three types, that is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, first, second and third. See what is the scalene triangle? So scalene triangle, those triangles in which all sides are different. Suppose that this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. All are different, na? So the triangle in which all sides are different, that is known as scalene triangle. Is it clear? Next, isosceles triangle, the triangle in which two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. That is, this is 5, this is also 5, and this is anything 6 or 7 or anything. Is it clear? So this is 5, this is 5. Two sides are equal, and third one is not equal. So this is known as isosceles triangle. Next, equilateral triangle. So the triangle in which all sides are equal, ऐसा ट्रायंगल जिसमें सारे साइड क्या हो इक्वल, दैट इज नोन एज equilateral triangle. As 6, this is also 6, this is also 6. So in which all sides are equal now, so that's why it is known as a equilateral triangle. Okay. See, next acute the triangle in which all angles less than 90 degree. ऐसा ट्रायंगल जिसमें 3 एंगल होते हैं ना, a triangle has 3 एंगल and 3 sides. This let us this 70 and this is let us 80. Now what is this 70 and 80? 150 and sum of all 3 angles in the triangle, that is 180 degree. So the triangle in which all angles are less than 90 degree, that is known as acute angle triangle. Next, obtuse angle triangle. The triangle in which one angle is greater than 90 degree. Let us say this is 120 and what is this? Let us say this is 30 and this is also 30 degree. But one angle, एक एंगल क्या होना चाहिए? 90 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. अगर कोई भी एक एंगल 3 एंगल में से 90 से बड़ा तो क्या कहलाएगा? ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल. And right angle triangle, the triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. This should be different, anything but one angle being compulsory. It should be 90 degree, 90, 30 and 60. Their sum will be 180. So these are the types of triangle. So simply if these type of triangle are given, then whenever you have to find out what is the perimeter of triangle, then you will use the formula perimeter. Simply sum of sides. Okay. So perimeter of any triangle that is sum of all sides. So this thing I think you have understood. Types of triangle. On the basis of side, triangle are 3 types. Or on the basis of angle, triangle are 3 types. On the basis of side, triangle are scalar triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. And on the basis of angle, triangle are acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. Okay? So you can write down. See, after this, you will see circle. What is that is? What is the meaning of circle? Circle. So see, this is known as a circle. A circle is a locus point of, okay, a circle which is equidistant from the center point to the circle. If this is the center of the circle denoted as O, then O to A, OA, what is OA? OA is known as radius. Okay, and if we take another line like a P and Q that is moved from the center, PQ is diagonal. One more thing, अगर हमें कोई एक और लाइन ड्रॉ किया सर्कल के अंदर जो सेंटर से होकर नहीं जाता है, तो इसको क्या कहेंगे फिर? अगर सेंटर से होकर जाएगा देन डायमीटर कहलाएगा, बट अगर सेंटर से पास नहीं होगा देन इट इज नोन एज अ chord. That is not CHORD, chord. So you know radius OA, diameter PQ and chord CD. And the diagram. Draw O. So this is known as the small r, and if you take a line like this is known as a diameter small d. So you know diameter is 2 times the radius. Diameter is 2 times the radius. Or when you have to find out radius, then diameter upon 2. So now if a question that if radius is 2.5 meter, then what is the diameter? So diameter is 2.5, 5.0, or simply you can represent 5 meter. Understood? Now, if diameter is 7 meter, then what is the radius? Formula is given na, r is equal to d upon 2. What it is? 7 by 2. What is the radius? 3.5 meter. So these are the radius, diameter, okay, and chord. Next, we will see area of the circle. Next is what is the circumference? Below a circle is given whose radius is r. So circumference of circle is means length of this. What is the length of this boundary? Circumference is length of the boundary. In all figure we say the parameter of any figure, but when we draw the circle, then in the place of parameter what we will say? Circumference. That is circumference of circle. Means it should be pi into d. And or you can write as a pi and d is equal to 2r na? 2r. Or simply you can write as a 2 pi r. And the value of pi is 2 by 7, or sometimes you pi is equal to 3.14. So learn the value of pi is 2 by 7, and now pi is equal to 3.14. Is it clear? Next question says, but one more thing you have to remember. The pi, this is known as irrational number and this is known as a rational number. Always, अगर कोई आपसे पूछता है पाई क्या है, रेशनल नंबर है इरेशनल नंबर है, तो क्या बताओगे? पाई क्या है? इरेशनल नंबर है. और 2/7 क्या है? रेशनल नंबर है. क्यों पाई इरेशनल नंबर है? क्योंकि जो पाई की वैल्यू होती है 3.144 बढ़ता चला, कभी वो रिमाइंडर उसका 0 नहीं आएगा, हमेशा क्या होगा बढ़ता ही चले, कभी कटेगा ही नहीं. इसी से क्या कहेंगे? पाई रेशनल नंबर है, जबकि 2/7 क्या है? रेशनल नंबर. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल पाई r square, okay, and here you can put the value of pi according to question. 22/7 take or 3.1. In circumference and the area, both place you can take pi as 22/7 or 3.14. Okay. After that, so now write Next, area between two concentric circles. What is the area between two concentric circles? Area between two concentric circles. So first of all, we have to know about what is a concentric circle. ठीक है ना? See, if we draw two circles and its circle center is this one, again if we draw the another circle and both have the same center O, if we draw the circle and they are all center, both center at O, then these two circles are known as concentric circle. Suppose कर ये जो है सर्कल C1, this is known as C2. इसका नाम दे दिए C1 सर्कल है, ये C2 सर्कल है. So these two circles, दोनों सर्कल क्या कहलाएंगे? Concentric circle कहलाएंगे. ये चाहे more than two हो सकते हैं. Two or more than two circles which have same center, that is known as concentric circle. Is it clear? So if this radius is R1 and this one is R2, then you will see this portion. So now we have to find out area of this figure. Okay, what is the area of this shaded region? Or the area between two concentric circles. How can you find out the area between two concentric circles? So firstly, we know that area of C1 and area of first circle, right? Area of circle C1, that is pi R1 square, area of circle C2. जब C2 करेंगे इसका जो रेडियस कितना है, that is R2 है ना, so that is pi R2 square. Okay, now if we find the area of C2 यानी bigger circle और area of smaller circle, दोनों का एरिया निकालते हैं और फिर बड़े में से छोटे को माइनस कर देंगे, तब क्या मिलेगा हमें? एरिया सैडेड पोर्शन ना. सुना, एरिया सैडेड रीजन कहो या एरिया बिटवीन टू concentric circle, both are same. Pi R1 square and pi, you simply write some pi R2 square. Here pi is common, R1 square and minus R2 square. Is it clear? So these are the area concentric circles of the shaded region. Okay, so now write down these things. Next, if you see, if the radius is, this is given, small r and capital R, then see, if there are concentric circles and this radius is small r, this is known as a capital R. Then same, you will apply the formula. Area between two concentric circle, that is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So simply take pi as a common. This one. So you know there will be three formula in a general expression. You have to learn थ्री जो फार्मूला जो है ना इसमें, उसमें हम एक यूज करेंगे. जैसे फर्स्ट वन से दैट a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2a. Second one a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a. Third one a square minus b square. Then if a number is like this, then one time you can plus and one time minus. Here capital R square minus R square. Third is same. So if you want, then you can write down like this R plus R and capital R minus small. So this is also the formula of the area between two concentric circles. And also learn these things. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2. Second, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third one, a square minus b square is equal to one time a plus b and another time a minus b. So by using that formula, you will find out area of concentric circle is pi capital R plus R or pi, and under bracket R minus small. Okay, write down. One more thing. See, if area rectangular first way, suppose that two rectangle are given. आपके गार्डन में जा रहे, ये गार्डन है, ठीक है ना. इसके अंदर या इसके बाहर कोई रोड बन जाए, जिससे आप मॉडल में बात करते हो, समझ में आ रहा है ना. तो अगर आपको इसका एरिया बताना हो, ठीक है ना, देन क्या करेंगे. सपोज P Q R S E B C D. तो उसके लिए क्या करोगे आप. अगर हमको जो साइडेड पोर्शन जो कोई रोड बना हुआ है ना, इसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए एरिया पर एरिया रेक्टेंगल दिख रहा है ये एरिया PQRS माइनस एरिया ABCD. ओके, सो व्हाट एरिया पर निकालने के लिए एरिया PQRS निकालें, उसमें से क्या करें, फिर इसको माइनस कर दें. सिंपली एरिया PQRS निकाल सकते हो, PQ × मल्टीप्लाई बाई क्यू आर, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ माइनस एरिया पे बी सी डी ए बी मल्टीप्लाई बी सी. So this, like this, you can find out the area of waste. Is it clear? Okay. So I think today we will discuss about parameter and area of different figure. First, we will discuss rectangle. So the parameter of rectangle is 2 in bracket length plus breadth, and the area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Then we see square. So square is those figure in which all sides are equal and all angle are 90 degree. Parameter of square is 4 multiplied by side, and the area of square is side square, yes, side multiplied by side. Then we move area of parallelogram. So the area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height corresponding to the base, and the parameter of parallelogram is that is sum of all sides. Then area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle? So area of triangle is 1 by 2 base multiplied by height, and then we will discuss different types of triangle that should be according to sides and according to angles. Triangle are थ्री टाइप साइड के बेस पे. साइड के बेस पे कौन कौन से ट्राइंगल थे? स्केलेन ट्राइंगल, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल एंड इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. एंड एंगल के बेस पे कौन कौन से? एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल, ऑब्टूस एंगल ट्राइंगल एंड राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. इज इट क्लियर? एंड एक्यूट एंगल मींस द ट्राइंगल इन व्हिच ऑल एंगल आर लेस देन 90 degree. राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, द ट्राइंगल इन व्हिच वन एंगल इज 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle, the triangle in which one angle is greater than 90 degree, okay, and less than 180 degree. That is obtuse angle triangle. After that, we will see according to sides. So isosceles triangle, first is scalar triangle. The triangle in which all sides are different, that is the scalar triangle. Isosceles triangle, the triangle in which two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle, the triangle in which all sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. Then we move circle. So in which in the place of parameter we say circumference of the circle. So the circumference of circle is length of this boundary. What is the circumference of circle? 2 pi r, pi d, where the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. And the area of square circle is pi r square. What is the relation between radius and diameter? Radius is equal to diameter by 2, या diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Area of concentric circle means area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle, or simply you can say pi capital R square minus pi small r square, या pi in bracket capital R square minus small r square, या pi first bracket capital R plus small r in another bracket capital R minus small r. Then we will discuss area of rectangular pathways. So like this we have discussed different formulas. So I think this chapter parameter and area, that is